Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, the market is open and we got a little surprise after the market opening. Forex market or Forex is popular around the world among the traders because of the continuation of chart. And that's why Forex is considered to be the best for trading. Yes, but sometimes we get little gap up and gap downs also. And this market opening was also special because we got a little gap down and market filled the gap. Okay, but the thing is that we can see little pressure on the chart of gold now. We can see after taking support around 2754, gold tried to recover, but there is little pressure. I'm not saying that there will be a complete trend reversal. Chances of market going for a trend reversal is very less before Wednesday because we have the Fed meeting coming up on Wednesday. Before a major event like NFP, CPI, Fed meeting, you must be knowing that market usually remains within a range or market remains sideways. So though the overall trend of the market is bullish, but before Wednesday, we can expect the market to remain sideways or choppy. So be a little careful. And if you're holding a buy position on the chart of gold, you can hold your buy position as long as gold is trading above 2750. Because I know many people, because I have received few messages and emails where you have been holding buy on gold from 2500, 2600. Hold your buy position as long as gold is trading above 2750. If it breaks 2750, you can exit because you may lose your profit. Try to book your profit on 2750. And if you're a day trader looking for new positions in the market, then it would be better for you to stick to the levels. In a previous video, we discussed that if gold goes up and if gold breaks 2786, it would be very dangerous for us to trade because this is a big resistance zone. Right now, chances of market going above 2800 is very less because we can clearly see that there is a little pressure on the chart of gold right now. Okay, so we need to plan our trades accordingly, and that's why trading is so difficult, my dear friends, because yesterday or day before yesterday we were talking about something else and today we are discussing something else. Sadly, there is nothing absolute in the market. Trading is very much subjective and flexibility is very important. For example, we are discussing that market is bullish right now. Maybe after 2 or 3 hours, we need to be completely bearish on the same chart. Okay, and it is very difficult to switch the mentality sometimes. Okay, so that's why trading is really, really difficult. Anyways, okay, let's keep the difficult part aside and now let's focus on the chart. So if we focus on the overall trend of gold right now, okay, we can still see that the overall trend of the market has not changed yet. Okay, that's why I said that if you are still holding your buy, you can hold your buy as long as gold is trading above 2750. And if gold drops also, okay, we can still look for buy positions because the overall chart is still very much bullish. And in this present condition, I won't be considering any sell position because at this moment, while recording the video during the Asian session, I don't see any massive selling pressure. If things change during the US session, अगर US session में देखते हो कि okay, there's a massive selling pressure, okay, then obviously you need to take a sell. You need to take a sell or you can sit on the sell position. But right now I don't see, so I'll be recommending buy positions only. Okay. माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको हिंदी वीडियोस की तलाश है, अगर आपको हिंदी एनालिसिस चाहिए तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू द हिंदी चैनल. यहाँ पे रेगुलर अपलोड किया जाता है वीडियोस रिगार्डिंग गोल्ड, XAUUSD, गोल्ड MCX. सो फील फ्री टू सब्सक्राइब अगर आपको हिंदी में एनालिसिस सुनना है. इंग्लिश में आता है, सुबह सुबह आता है एंड यहाँ पे आपको करीबन दोपहर को वीडियो मिल जाएगा. सो आपको और थोड़ा अपडेटेड वीडियोस मिलते हैं. ठीक है, तो आपको लिंक मिलेगा डिस्क्रिप्शन में. थैंक यू. So in our previous video, we discussed about support around 2760, but in the morning we saw market taking support around 2754. Okay, so the blue box here did not work much. If you had a bigger vessel, then okay, then it might have worked. But from a day trader's perspective, I can clearly see that our first support did not work well here. So The reason, okay, why it did not work, obviously we don't know. This is market, this is trading, okay. But what I can see was, okay, market took support around this particular level here. And what was the specialty? Okay, this was a previous support. This was a previous support, and also previous resistance became support here. So what we can find here was, okay, that price action worked here. Okay. So we have derived the other levels on the same basis only. You can see the black line here. The black line is the first support. For example, during the day, especially before the US session, if market drops, we have the next support around 2746, 2745. Why? Because on the same logic, we can see we have a support here. The previous resistance will be working as support, and if the market stays like this, okay, we can expect it to work. The second support on the chart of gold is around 2736. Why 2736? 2736, 2735, 37 area. Okay, because this is a level from where market bounced previously. Okay, so but personally I think, okay, 2736, 2737, this area is a better support in comparison to this 46 area. So if you ask me, Abhilash, where will you buy? I will say that I will go with a purple line, because this is a level where market has taken support previously. And you can also see I have marked a dotted line here. So it's 2730. Okay, 2730. Why? The previous resistance will be working as support here, and we can also see the 200 moving average coming up. So we have three supports on the chart of gold right now: 2746, 2736, 37, and 2730. Right now I'm not very sure. See, I'm being honest here. Okay, I'm not very sure whether they are strong support or not, but yes, we can expect the market to take support. If you see the market is showing price rejection from below, if you see the market is showing a hammer kind of a pattern, then only hit the buy button. Okay, use your common sense. Suppose you see that there is a sudden selling pressure and market is standing at 2746, 2737 with a big red candle, then obviously you need to sit on the sell side. Okay, as I was saying, okay, flexibility is very important for a trader. I am recording the video in the Asian session and market is not very crazy volatile right now. Overall trend is still intact. So I'm sitting here and discussing about the buy opportunities here. But if you see a sudden selling pressure, then obviously you need to sit on the sell side as well. But if the size of the candles remain like this, okay, we can expect to give us 40 to 50 pips. Yes, before the Fed meeting, if you can score 50 pips also as a day trader, it's not bad. It's quite good. Okay, I will be going for 50 to 60 pips only. You must be knowing that 40 pips was my number. Yes, I still love 40 pips. Okay. And if market goes up from here, okay, 2786, 2790, the red box is still the resistance zone here. I don't think so market will be able to break 2800 before the Fed's meeting. Okay, let's wait and watch. The overall trend is still very much intact here, but still we can expect the market to remain sideways or market to remain choppy like this. Means market may remain in a range here. Okay. Time will speak. Okay, if any sudden, okay, move comes in the market, then obviously I will try to update. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care. Again, I'm repeating, okay, things are not very clear right now. The levels that we discuss are not very strong, so please be careful and follow proper risk management.